always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. I spy shapes everywhere. Circles, triangles, ovals, squares, stars, rectangles, so many kinds. See how many we can find.
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. You're just in time. I was about to check the mail. I'm expecting a letter from Ms. Panda. Let's check the mail together. Are you coming? Look, there's a letter in our mailbox. It's addressed to Mr. Goose, the Treehouse, Animal Island. That means it's for me. Could it be from Ms. Panda? It is from Ms. Panda. I'll open it. There is a letter and some pictures inside. I'll read the letter out loud.
Hello, everyone. I'm visiting my friend. Everywhere I go, I see shapes. I've sent you some photos.
Ooh, let's look.
What shape do you see in the first picture?
Do you see it?
Star.
Well done.
What shape do you see in the second picture?
Oh, I think I see it.
Star.
Fantastic.
What shape do you see in the last picture?
What shape do you see?
Star.
Yes.
Can you find shapes on Animal Island? Love, Ms. Panda.
That's a great idea. We'll make star our special shape of the day. Let's look for stars on Animal Island.
Let's look for shapes in Coconut Cove. Let's look for stars, like this. Do you see one? Yes. I see one. Do you see it? Right. Let's look for one more. Yeah! Let's look for more. I see one. Yes! Let's look for another one. Yay! Let's look for one more. All right! I'm glad we got to play together. Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the purple triangles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is purple.
That's a square. We only want purple triangles.
Oh, right. I forgot. There's one.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the purple stars.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for purple squares now, Ms. Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. 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 And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 red shapes.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. No more shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could use 2 triangles to make a bow tie. Look.
Oh, Monkey, you look very fancy.
Let's look for stars. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. Shongolo's shoes are missing. Where could they be? Let's find out. Let's begin. Shongolo's shoes. Written by Jackie Lounge. Illustrated by Megan Lauter. Designed by Martelli Klein. Where are all my shoes? I know I left them here. I haven't seen your shoes. Go ask Snail. No shoes here. Go ask Giraffe. I'm in a hurry. Go ask Frog. Shoes? How many? Go ask Flamingo. Seen your shoes? No, not me. Will I ever find my shoes? Shoes, eh? You should ask the monkeys. We're busy. Go ask Owl. She knows everything. I have an idea. Why don't you ask Lion? These are your shoes? I am so sorry. Of course I will give them back. I hope you will wear them to my party. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Itsy Bitsy Spider.
I don't know that song.
You don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. And look what I have in my backpack. My maracas. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now this time we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go! The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again. Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter S. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I have an idea. Let's dig letters in the sand with a shovel.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Monkey, you go first.
All right! S. Ooh.
Great!
I'll try next. S.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll try it. S.
Nice job!
I'll trace the next one. S.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
S.
Exactly. Uppercase S. And what's this letter?
S.
That's right. Lowercase s. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! S!
Snowflakes. S. S. Snowflakes. Sun. S. S. Sun. Sock. S. S. Sock.
P.U.
Snake. S. S. Snake. Strawberries. S. S. Strawberries.
What letter do all these words start with?
S.
That's right. The letter S.
watch it bounce. Let's pretend to be Wigglebugs too. A boing a boing a boing a boing. Boing a boing a Hello, little Wigglebug. I think it's asleep. Bye.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat